A very good morning, all my dear student. I am Pallavi Dhole. Welcomes you all in this today's lecture of programming with Python. From this today's lecture, we are going to start our new unit, that is unit number 3, that is data structures in the Python. Okay, so from today's lectures onward, we are going to deal with the unit number 3, data structure in Python. So there are basically 4 data types present in the Python. Very first is the list, then second one is the tuples, then third one is the sets, and fourth one is the dictionaries. Okay, so all of this detail we will see in detail one by one. So let us first discuss what is the data structure in Python. The most basic data structure in Python is the sequence. The most basic data structure in Python is the sequence. Okay, so each element of a sequence is assigned a number. So see, in the previous unit we already studied the concept about the for loops. So for loops believes on the sequence only. Okay, so basically the in operator is used to traverse थ्रू दी सीक्वेंस. ओके, तो सीक्वेंस में ट्रैवर्स करने के लिए इन ऑपरेटर जो है वो बेसिकली यूज होता है. सो सच अ सीक्वेंस विल बी प्रेजेंट्स इन दी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. So each element of a sequence is assigned a number, its position or the index. The first index is 0, the second index is 1 and so forth. Okay, so likewise index always start with the 0 and end with the -1. तो ये आपको हमेशा ध्यान में रखना है. The Python has 6 built-in types of sequences, but the most common ones are the list and tuples. So basically in Python we also discuss or also study the concept about the sets and the dictionaries. Okay, so we will deal with list, tuple, sets and dictionaries. Okay, so there are certain things you can do with all sequence type. These operations include indexing, slicing, adding, multiplying and checking for the membership. So in addition, Python has a built-in functions for finding the length of a sequence and for finding the largest and the smallest element. So each and every data structure present in the Python. So जो भी हम data structures ये Python programming के अंदर या ये यूनिट में पढ़ेंगे, so उस पे जो जो ऑपरेशंस आप परफॉर्म कर सकते हो वो भी हम देखने वाले हैं. एंड द डिफरेंट फंक्शंस और मेथड्स प्रोवाइडेड बाय द डिफरेंट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर वो भी हम देखेंगे इसी यूनिट के अंदर वन बाय वन. सो नाउ in today's lecture we are going to start our first data structure, that is the list. So this is the Python list here. The list is a most versatile data type available in Python, which can be written as a list of comma separated values items between the square brackets. So whatever ये हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था कि whatever you have to given in the square bracket that is separated by comma. Okay, so it may be integer, it may be string, it may be a char. So multiple data types means heterogeneous data types you can enclose within the list. So it is nothing but a collection of heterogeneous data types. Important things about a list is that items is a list need not be of same type. Okay, so it may be vary in the data type. So creating a list is as simple as putting the different comma separated values between the square bracket. Let us see the example of this. See, a list one is equal to square bracket physics chemistry. So both will be a string. तो यहाँ पर हमने ये जो है वो स्ट्रिंग है, दिस इज ऑल्सो स्ट्रिंग, देन दिस इज ऑफ टाइप इंटीजर, दिस इज ऑफ टाइप इंटीजर. सो 1997, 2000. Okay, so it is a collection of int and string. So first string जो है वो आपकी इससे combine है. Then list to square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a collection of only a integer. So it may be possible कि सेम डेटा टाइप भी हो सकता है, मल्टीपल डेटा टाइप्स भी पॉसिबल है आपकी लिस्ट के अंदर. एंड देन द लिस्ट 3 इज इक्वल टू डबल कोट्स a, b, c, d. So always enclosed in a square bracket. So this is called as the list in the Python programming language. Similar to string indices, list indices start at 0. मीन्स जो आपका यहाँ पे आपको इंडेक्स दिख रहा है, सो a जो है दैट इज़ ऑन इंडेक्स 0. B on 1, C on 2, and D on 3. So always start with 0 and end -1. Okay, so this is your first index and this is your last index. This is first and this is last one. So end -1 you have to, so 4 hai, so 4 minus 1 becomes 3. So start with 0 and end with -1. So this is all about the Python list. Next, Python list accessing values. How to access the values of the list? Okay, so to access values in a list, use square brackets for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain the value available. Okay, so you need to use the index number here. So see here the example, list 1 physics comma chemistry comma 1997 2000, then लिस्ट 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो यहाँ पर हमने जो दो जो हमारे ये है लिस्ट है वो हमने लिए है, डिक्लेयर किए हैं. देन सी प्रिंट एफ लिस्ट 1 स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट 0, ओके, डबल कोट कॉमा लिस्ट ऑफ 0, लिस्ट 1 ऑफ 0. सो लिस्ट ऑफ 1 0 के अंदर कौन सा है? सी, दिस इज द 0th इंडेक्स, दिस इज द 1 2 and 3. दिस इज अबाउट 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, तो यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ दिस इज द स्ट्रिंग विच इज़ प्रिंटेड ऑन द कंसोल. तो यहाँ पे ये आपका ऐसे की ऐसे प्रिंट हो गया, लिस्ट 1 0. तो लिस्ट 1 0 स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर 0, तो पर्टिकुलरली आप जब इंडेक्स देते हो तो दैट वैल्यू विल बी एक्सेस with the help of the index number. So here physics will be printed on the command prompt. Next, print list to 1 of 5. So 1:5. ओके, तो ये भी हमने कवर किया है. सो लिस्ट टू 1 कॉमा 1 अप टू 5. सो 1 से लेके 5 तक. तो लिस्ट में देखिए सी 1 है वो 0, देन 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. ओके, तो ये आपके सभी के सभी इंडेक्सेस है 1 से लेके 5 तक. सो 1 कहाँ पे आता है? 2 पे. ओके, एंड देन 5. सो 5 कहाँ पे है? 5 है आपका 6 पे. बट इंडेक्स लास्ट इंडेक्स -1 आपको हमेशा करना है. सो 5 - 1 बिकम्स 4. सो 4 कहाँ पे आया है आपका? 5 पे यहाँ पे. सो 2 3 4 5. सो दैट विल बी प्रिंटेड ऑन द कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट. So list to 1 of 5 2 3 4 5, that will be the answer with the help of this program. Okay, so this is all about the accessing the Python list element. Next, Python list updating the list. So it may be possible you can update the list of the Python. Okay, so updating list. So you can update single or multiple elements of a list by giving the slice on the left hand side of the assignment. Okay, assignment operator and you can add to element in a list with the append method, for example. So with the help of the append method you can increase your list size, means update your list. So see here example, with the help of the assignment operator you can easily assign any value to that particular index number. So list here physics chemistry 1997 2000. So value available at index 2 is print list of 2. So list of 2 पे क्या present है? यहाँ पर present है 1997. So you need to update that variable. So list of 2 is equal to 2001. तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या दिया? इनिशियलाइज किया लिस्ट ऑफ 2. तो यहाँ पर जो 2 इंडेक्स है इसकी वैल्यू मैंने अपडेट की 2001. सो नाउ the 1997 will be updated with the help of the equal operator. So now the list of 2 here becomes 2001. So when I print this list 2, the new value available at index 2 is 2001. So that will be printed on the command. So this is your old value and this is your new value as we are assigning with the help of the assignment operator. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ दी यूजिंग दी अपेंड ऑपरेटर्स. सो जब हम ऑपरेटर्स का मतलब मेथड्स या फंक्शंस का जब भी पार्ट आएगा दैट टाइम वी विल डिस्कस दिस थिंग. देन मेथड लिस्ट डिलीशंस. ओके, सो डिलीट लिस्ट एलिमेंट हियर. To remove a list element you can use either the del statement if you know exactly which element you are deleting, or the remove method if you do not know. Okay, so अगर आपको exactly कौन सा वेरिएबल कौन सा एलिमेंट डिलीट करना है अगर ये आपको पता है, सो यू शुड यूज़ द del ऑपरेटर. ओके, सो del कीवर्ड यू हैव टू यूज़. अदरवाइज इफ़ यू डोंट नो विच एलिमेंट यू हैव टू रिमूव, सो आप रिमूव मेथड भी यहाँ पर यूज़ कर सकते हो. ओके, सो यूजिंग del कीवर्ड हाउ द एलिमेंट्स विल बी रिमूव्ड. सी, so list 1 physics chemistry 1997 2000, print list 1 del list 1 of 2 मीन्स सेकेंड जो इंडेक्स पे जो नंबर है आपका दैट इज़ योर सेकेंड इंडेक्स नंबर. सो 1997 विल बी डिलीटेड हियर. ओके, आफ्टर डिलीटिंग द वैल्यू एट इंडेक्स 2, so print list 1, so whole list will be printed. So your original one is physics chemistry 1997 2000, but after deleting the value at index 2, your list becomes physics chemistry and 2000. So using this del keyword you can delete the element at the particular index. So here I am giving the index number 2, so it will delete the element at index 2 here, and this will be the new list of the Python. Okay, so this is again the deletion of the Python, means it is possible. Updation is also possible with the help of the Python list. Next is the Python basic list operations. Okay, so basic list operations, list respond to the plus and star operator much like a string. They means concatenation and repetition here too, except that the result is a new list, not a string. Okay, so with the help of the plus operator, I already discussed this, means concatenation, and star means repetition. Okay, so you can repeat your list. Okay, and with the help of the plus you can join your two list with one. So in fact, list respond to all general sequence operations we use on string in the prior chapter. Okay, so we already discussed these things in the previous unit. So this is the Python expressions. So length 1 2 3, so result is 3, so that is with the length of the string. Then 1 2 3 plus 4 5 6, so it will give the 1 2 3 4 5 6 concatenation, means plus sign here used for the concatenation purpose. And the len, this function, len function is basically used for finding the length. So it will give the length and it will concatenate the two strings, two list here. Then repetition. Okay, so high, I am giving the high, that is the only one element in the list, high, into 4, so it will repeat 4 times. So star represent for the repetition purpose. Then 3 in 1 2 3, means 3 is present in the sequence 1 2 3 or not, so it will give the true and false. So membership operator, so 3 is present in 1 2 3, yes, so it will give the true here. Okay, then 4x in 1 2 3, print x. Okay, so for x in 1 2 3, so यहाँ पर for loop, that is the sequence, so in operator यहाँ पे लगा है, so 1 2 3 iteration will be there, so 3 times it will iterate the for loop. So in this way, these are the different list of operations will be performed on the Python list. Okay, so first is the length, which will count the length of the element, means number of elements in the list. Second one plus, which is used to concatenation. Third one star operator, which is used for repetition. Then in, that is the membership operator, which will gives the true and false. And last one, that is the in again, which is basically used for a repetition purpose in the for loop. Okay, so this is all about the basic list operations present in the Python list. Next is the Python indexing, slicing and matrices. Okay, so because lists are sequences, indexing and slicing work the same way for the list as they do for the string. तो स्ट्रिंग में जैसे पॉसिबल है वैसे ही आपका लिस्ट में भी पॉसिबल है. सो एज्यूमिंग हियर द एग्जांपल, सी L equal to spam spam spam. Okay, so Python expression L of 2 spam, result is spam, offset start at 0. Okay, then L minus 2 spam, negative, count from the right side, so it will count from the right side. So in the first one, see here I am repeat this again, So index see this 1 2 1 0 1 2 index start with 0. The spam index each and every spam is of different type. Okay, वहाँ पे कुछ इसमें स्मॉल लेटर्स है, कुछ इसमें कॉम्बिनेशन है अपर और स्मॉल का, और लास्ट वन इज दी कैपिटल लेटर्स. So L of simply 2 means positive number, so it will start from left side. So last में spam है, that's why the result is spam. Okay, now in the second case spam, that is L of -2 means negative number is there, so it will start searching from the right side. So यहाँ से 0 1 2, so that means -1 -0 0. So -2 कहाँ पे आता है spam, so that's why it will give the spam here. Okay, so negative count from the sorry, so it will gives a -1 -2 not 0. Okay, so negative, so spam, तो यहाँ पे आपका ये spam जो है वो प्रिंट किया है इसमें. देन L of 1 कोलन, तो कोलन के बाद कुछ भी नहीं है, तो 1 कहाँ पे आया है यहाँ पे. ओके, सी दिस इज 0 इंडेक्स 1 इंडेक्स एंड 2 इंडेक्स, तो 1 इंडेक्स स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम स्पैम हियर, और 1 के बाद यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, that is empty, so that's why whole list after the 1 index will be printed. So spam and spam will be printed on the, so this is called as the slicing fetching section. Okay, so this is all about the indexing, slicing and matrices of the Python list. Then so here different Python list functions and method. These are all the inbuilt list functions and methods present already in case of the interpreter, which is provided by the Python interpreter. Okay, so let us discuss one by one methods or functions in detail. A very first here is the CMP list1 comma list2. Compare elements of both the list. Okay, so if both the list will be same, then it will return 0. Okay, means in the form of 0 and in the form of integer it will return the, if both the list will be equal, then and then it will provide the 0, otherwise it will provide the positive number or the negative number. So if you provide positive or negative numbers, means consider that both list will not be equal. Okay, but if it is equal to 0, then equal. Okay, so this is the first method, that is CMP list1 comma list2. So see here example, यहाँ पे L मैंने लिया है सबसे पहले, suppose 1 2 3, and suppose this is L1, this is L2, and this is all about 1 2 3 4. Okay, and now I am applying the CMP L1 L2 simply. Okay, so it will provide the index. So CMP L1 L2, so जो भी उसके variables है L1 and L2, so whether this is equal, no, because in the list 2 4 will be added, here not will be 4, so that's why it will give, it is not a equal. But यहाँ पे अगर 4 नहीं रहता है, directly अगर 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, so that means it is both equal, so it will receive 0 and that will give the answer equal, both strings will be equal. Next is the length in bracket list, gives the total length of the list. So see here, suppose L1 1 2 3 A single quotation में, means consist of 4 elements. So when I apply the length in bracket L1, so it will count the number of elements in the list, so that means 1 2 3 4, so it will gives the 4 answer here. So it means number of elements जो भी present है आपके list के अंदर, that will provided by the Python length function. Next is the max list, return item from the list with a max value. Okay, so maximum value जो है वो आपको provide करता है. So the terms and conditions for this, so it is having the same type. ओके, तो सेम टाइप का जो भी उसका कलेक्शन रहेगा उसमें से आपको मैक्सिमम वो फाइंड करके देगा. सो सपोज दिस इज़ द L1 लिस्ट हियर एंड आई एम गिविंग 57 58 1 0. सपोज दिस आर द लिस्ट. ओके, and now applying the max in bracket L1. So this will provide the number 58 because 58 is the maximum number here. So जो list में आपका maximum होगा that will be provided by the max function. Next is the mean list. Okay, so this is the mean list. Return item from the list with a mean value. Okay, so जिसकी minimum value रहेगी that will be provided by the mean function. Suppose L1 equal to A, B, C, D. Okay, so A, B, C, D is the characters, okay, which is enclosed in a single quotation. So how it will provide the mean value? Okay, so यहाँ पर हमने अगर mean function अगर apply किया है and L1 will be passed as a object, so what will be the answer here? See, आपको पता है कि जो भी अल्फ़ाबेट्स या कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं उनकी ASCII वैल्यूज़ होती है. सो कैपिटल ए की ASCII वैल्यू होती है 65, ओके, और स्मॉल ए की होती है 97. देन ऑनवर्ड्स इसकी जो वैल्यूज़ होती है ASCII वैल्यूज़ दैट विल बी इंक्रीजिंग इन बाय 1. सो बी 98, सी 99, ऐसी उसकी इंक्रीज होती है. सो इन दैट सिक्वेंस ABCD में सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू किसकी है? ए की. सो दैट्स वाई हियर इट विल गिव्स द ए बिकॉज ए की ASCII वैल्यू 97, बी की ASCII वैल्यू 98, सी की ASCII वैल्यू 99 एंड डी इज इक्वल टू 100. सो मिनिमम कौन है इसमें से? 97. सो ए विल बी प्रिंटेड ऑन द कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट. So that is all about the mean function which will give the minimum value to the on the command prompt. Next is the list in bracket sequence. Okay, so convert a tuple into list. Okay, if you want to convert your tuple, जो हम next पढ़ेंगे, if you want to convert your tuple into a list format, then this list function you have to use here. Okay, so we will see in the tuples. Then next is the list dot append in bracket object. So if you want to update, तो हमने पढ़ा था ये बिफोर, इक्वल ऑपरेटर यूज़ करके भी आप इनिशियलाइज कर सकते हो, बट एट द एंड आपको अगर लिस्ट को अपडेट करना है, सो लिस्ट सपोज L1 equal to in bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. This is about the list. So L1 is the object dot append in bracket suppose 5 have to add. तो जो मुझे ऐड करना है वो आपका, so here L1 dot append in bracket 5. So now the list will be updated with the 5. So now if I print L1, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 will be append at the end. Okay, so अगर आपको particular index पे अगर अपडेट करना है तो यूजिंग इक्वल ऑपरेटर यू कैन असाइन. अदरवाइज इफ़ यू वांट टू अपेंड, अगर आपको ऐसे अपडेट करना है, सो यूजिंग अपेंड मेथड यू कैन ऑल्सो add or update your list with the help of this function. Next is the list dot count object. Return count of how many times objects occur in a list. Okay, so see here example. Suppose L1 is there, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, and now I apply this method. So L1 dot count in bracket 1. Okay, so L1 dot count 1. So 1, how many times occur in a particular list? So see, here 1 is present and here 1 is present, so it will present 2 times. So this function will return here 2. So means this 1 is present 2 times in the given list here. Okay, so in this way this count function will be work. Next is the list dot extend sequence. So append the content of sequence to list. Okay, so tuple का जो concept है, so it will append the content of sequence to list. Okay, तो यहाँ पर भी just like append, तो extend करेगा जो whatever the sequence is there, जो आपका sequence है वो particular list में जाके append होगा and that will extend the content of the original list. So that is about the extend function. Next is the list dot index in bracket object. Return the lowest index in the list that objects appear. Okay, suppose, see the example, L1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 5. Okay, this is your list. Now you have to check the index, lowest index of the object, whether it is present or not. So L1 dot index of 1. ओके, सो L1 डॉट इंडेक्स 1, तो यहाँ पर 1 जो है इसमें प्रेजेंट अगर होगा तो उसका लोवेस्ट जो इंडेक्स है दैट विल बी प्रिंटेड ऑन द कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट. सो सी 1 इज प्रेजेंट एट 0 इंडेक्स, this is 1 2 3 and 4. 1 is present at 0th index and 1 is present at 3rd index. So smallest one is 0, so this will provides the output 0 here, means 1 is present at 0 index because जो lowest index है that is 0. It is present in 3 also but lowest is 0 here, so that's why it will provide the 0 answer. So with the help of this list dot index dot object you can solve such a type of problems. Next is list dot insert index comma objects. So you can insert elements to that particular, suppose L1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, this is your list, and now I L1 dot insert, first one is index, so first index है, suppose 1 index में मुझे 5 ऐड करना है. ओके, सो आई हैव टू ऐड 1 इंडेक्स पे अगर मुझे 5 ऐड करना है, सो 1 इंडेक्स कहाँ पे आता है, दिस इज 0, दिस इज 1 एंड दिस इज 2. ओके, सो 1 इंडेक्स यहाँ पर क्या है, 2 है, लेकिन यहाँ पे मुझे ऐड करना है, इंसर्ट करना है. सो नाउ द L1 becomes changes to 1 comma 5 comma 2 comma 3. now it will be updated. Okay, so with the help of this insert method you can insert particular element at a particular index. Next is the list dot pop. Next is the list dot pop in bracket object equal to list minus 1. So it will remove and returns last object or the object from the list. Suppose this is your L1 list, so 1 2 3. So when you apply this pop, that is L1 dot pop, so it will remove the last element of the list, that is the object. Okay, so next is the list dot remove in bracket object. So removes the objects from the list. So when you apply the remove, so L1 equal to suppose 1 2 3 and you apply remove method here and giving the object, that is suppose 2, so it will remove the 2 from the list. Okay, so it will remove 2, so it will the new list is 1 comma 3 only, so it will remove the 2, that is whatever you provided in the argument list, so that will be removed from the list. Next is the list dot reverse, that reverses the objects of list in place. Okay, तो जो भी आपका सपोज L1 इज योर लिस्ट हियर 1 comma 2 comma 3. सो आपकी जो नई जो लिस्ट बनेगी आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस लिस्ट डॉट रिवर्स, सो इट विल गिव 3 2 1, दैट विल रिवर्स ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड लास्ट वन इज द लिस्ट डॉट सॉर्ट. सॉर्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ लिस्ट, यूज कंपेयर फंक्शन इफ गिवन. ओके, सो दिस विल सॉर्ट, अगर आपका अनसॉर्टेड ऑर्डर में है अगर आपका लिस्ट, तो डैट विल बी इन द सॉर्टेड ऑर्डर. Okay, so in this way all the functions will work in the Python list, regarding the Python list. So in this today's lecture we are already discussed all about the list concept. Okay, so in the next lecture we are going to study the chapter or topic, that is the tuples in the Python programming language. So till then, thank you so much all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.